The Rolls-Royce Phantom I was launched in 1925 and subsequent models have consistently evolved to meet the demand of an elite clientele. Phantom 6, for instance, was in production for over 2 decades and was the last Coachwild model. Current generation, the Phantom 8 was launched in 270 and is the first Rolls-Royce to be built on the new all-aluminum architecture of luxury platform. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is designed for a smooth, silent, and effortless ride. This is achieved through a combination of a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and meticulous attention to sound insulation. The current Phantom is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter 12-watt engine. This engine produces impressive power and torque, allowing the large car to accelerate with surprise. Rolls-Royce has focused on making the engine power delivery seamless and silent, ensuring a serene experience for occupants. The Phantom features a sophisticated self-leveling suspension system with electronically controlled damper, a stereo camera system which Rolls-Royce flag bearer sense the road ahead at speed up to 100 km/h, pre-configures the suspension to handle any imperfection, giving the car magic carpet ride quality. The Phantom is the first Rolls-Royce to be equipped with four-wheel steering with system improves maneuverability at low speed by turning the rear wheels counter to the front wheel and enhance stability at high speed by turning them in the same direction. The Phantom cabin is often described as a sensory deprivation cocoon. This is a result of extensive soundproofing, including a double skin alloy body, more than 130 kg of sound insulating material, and special silent seal tires co-developed with Continental. Coach doors. The doors, which Rolls-Royce call coach doors, open in a way that allow for a graceful and dramatic entrances and exits. A unique and defining feature of the Phantom 8 is the Kelly. This is glass enclosure that spans the entire width of the dashboard, allowing owner to commission and display a personal work of art. The interior is a masterpiece of a craftsmanship with handcrafted leather, deep pile carpet, and meticulously finished wood bearers. The rear seat can be equipped with features like message function, a vault beverage chiller, and entertainment displays. A hallmark of Rolls-Royce, the Starlight headliner is a feature where hundreds of fiber optic lights are hand-fitted into the leather roof liner is created to starry night effect. Owner can even request custom concealation. While maintaining a classic aesthetic, the Phantom is packed with modern technology, including a large infotainment display subtly integrated into the dashboard. A high-resolution head-up display had a suite of driver assistant features like a panoramic view camera system and adaptive cruise control. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is available in a standard wheelbase and extended wheelbase EWB version. The EWB model adds over 8 inches of length, with most of it dedicated to providing even more leg room for rear seat passenger, making it the ultimate personal limousine.